A question that comes up constantly in forums is why you can just copy a Blu-ray by dragging the files in a Windows Explorer. Well, here's why. The video data on a Blu-ray is encrypted with the AACS. The decryption key is stored in the hidden sectors on the disk that Windows can access through a normal file operations. So what you be copying is a locked box with the no key. It literally won't play. You need software that knows how to read those hidden sectors and handle the decryption correctly. Hey guys, Alex here. So today we're talking about the Blu-ray decryption, what it actually means, why you need it, whether it's legal, and how to do it properly using the DVDFab. In most countries, decrypting a Blu-ray you own for the personal backup is legal. You're not distributing it, you're not selling it, you're making a personal copy of something you paid for. That's the use case we're covering today. Don't use this to pirate content. I hope that's clear.
Okay, let me quickly walk you through what's actually protecting your Blu-ray because it helps to understand why you need specific software for this. So AACS is the main encryption layer, Advanced Access Content System. It's on essentially every commercial Blu-ray. It encrypts the video data and manages the decryption keys. Without bypassing the AACS, you literally cannot read the data. So BD Plus is an additional layer to AACS. Then of course we have the Cinavia watermark, which is not an encryption, it's embedded into the audio track, and some players, because of this watermark, mute your audio completely. Then also we have a BDG, which is protection that runs on interactive copies of the discs, and add another layer of complexity to the ripping tools. So that's worth mentioning that the DVDFab handles all of those encryption methods automatically. So let's just try and decrypt our movie to MP4 or an MKV. First of all, surely let's open the DVDFab. Choose the Ripper module on the left and load your Blu-ray disc. Right now the DVDFab automatically decrypts the AACS and BD Plus layers as it reads the disc. Everything basically happens automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. For decrypting and converting to a playable file, the same logic applies as always, so MKV path-through for a best quality with the zero loss, MP4 H.264 for a maximum device compatibility, and MP4 H.265 for smaller files at a really good quality. And then let's just hit the start. So DVDFab decrypts and encodes everything in one pass. What you receive is the clean file with no protection, ready to play on any device. Then we have a second method, for example, if you want to decrypt and save it as ICO file. In this case, if you don't want to re-encode the content at all, use the Blu-ray copy instead of Ripper. Same decryption process, but the output is the full Blu-ray ICO. In this case, the entire disk structure is preserved, including all the menus, all the audio files, just without the copy protection. If DVDFab flags the Cinavia watermark, here what to do. In the copy module, Advanced Settings, and there is a Cinavia removal option. So the DVDFab downloads the repair data for the specific disk from its server, removes the watermark from the audio track, and the output plays clearly on any device. Just remember that Cinavia removal requires the network connection, because DVDFab fetches the repair data to your specific disk from the servers. Ripping the MP4 takes a little bit more time because of the re-encoding. Copy to ICO is much faster, and once everything is done, the output protection-free copy is ready to use.
So that's Blu-ray decryption with the DVDFab. Use Ripper if you want an MP4 or MKV file. Use Copy if you want a full backup ICO. Both handles the protection layers automatically. And remember, keep it for the personal use. Subscribe for more tutorials, we got a full series covering the DVD and Blu-ray workflow. Links to the related videos are all in the description below this video. I hope that helps, and I see you in the next one.